Good morning. Ebony Bikini Chef here. Today, I'm going to do one of my favorites. Today, I'm going to eat me a steak, egg, and cheese bagel. And I used to make it for my sons all the time. It was their favorite. They also would be like, Mom, this is too big. I would give them 2 big bagels. Oh, I got it upside down. Thomas Bagels. So I'm going to cook the steak in the microwave because I'm on a time constraint. I'll cook it in the microwave. The egg, cook that inside. And then the microwave, this only takes a minute and a half. Be done way before the cheese. I'm only doing 1 egg. I already had 4 eggs this week already. Yes, it's a little ass bowl. My new frying pan. Cheese, pepper jack, which is the counter, like yucky. The one that got wet, but it's wet. And I should have left the steak in the freezer. Because I literally just went food shopping. Like, just went food shopping. So I'm going to do 2 slices of white. And the pepper jack is going on a steak. And that sounds like it's ready. Get the steak cut. Basically, you fold it, because I'm only doing 1 bagel. There you go. Let's throw this egg in here. Cheese. Hopefully the lady did it the way I asked her to. And she didn't. So I just gotta wing it. Turn that down. Let's get some pepper in here. Teamwork. Let it stop using. Teamwork is good for inflammation, which I definitely need. And a smidgen of salt. One cheesy egg. And I'm going to put 2 slices in here. I forgot to put my microphone on too. Notification is going on. Alright. So it's time for the microwave. Put this one in here because it's already melted. Too much pepper. Too much pepper. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm going to put pepper on here. Pepper. Pepper. Now I'm not toasting the bagel. So you put this in the microwave, 1.5 minutes, and it's ready. The longest I ever had to do was 2 minutes, but hopefully not today. Over 20 times, and there still be people in the comments, she didn't wash her hands. Like, are you serious? Most people who live alone don't wash their hands because it's only them. Who won't get sick? I don't do that. Wash my hands because you're supposed to wash your hands. Now, mayonnaise. Oh yeah, I gotta put cheese on the. Let's take a look. Perfect. I usually use 2 slices per bagel, but I'm only using 1 today. What y'all doing for Thanksgiving? I gotta babysit. So. Cooking, it'll be after Thanksgiving. I don't eat turkey anyway. Nope, no turkey for me. Oh, mayonnaise. I'll put mayonnaise on my bagel. Ketchup. And I like mine before I put the egg and the steak on here. So I eat one of these, the steak, egg, and cheese bagel, probably like once or twice a year. And yes, I know I said I don't eat meat. I've been thinking about it, been reminiscing about when my kids was little. Y'all know how it is when you get older, you start regressing. I think I said the word right. So I wish my kids was little again. Wish they'd have never grown the hell up. My son would still be here. I wouldn't be living in Florida. This. Okay, this is trash. Trash. All right. I'm using a short video today. All right. So, as you can see, the steak is done. You just take it like this. sure you get all the cheese. And you put it on the bottom one of the bagel. Like so. Now let me go get my egg. I only use 1 egg, so it's like everything is like tiny and basic today. Ah, get that going there. Trying to fall off. Oh, it is falling off. I'll get on there. Like it all, oh my God, it almost all fell off. Put no more pepper or anything on there. Now I just gotta cut it and chomp it down. Chomp, chomp, chomp. My stick knife. Voila. Now normally I do 2 steaks, 2 eggs, but I got stuff to do today, so I can't spend a lot of time in the kitchen. So, oh, I forgot, I need Pepsi. I need something to drink. I hope that y'all can hear me because I always forget to turn the volume up before I start the video. It makes a big difference. And I forgot my microphone. Like I said, and I'm rushing today. Rush, rush, rush. So, I'm gonna eat this bagel. I don't know what side to eat. They both look good. But anyway, this is a shout out to all the people who are subscribed and to all the people that is not subscribed, the wall watchers. Shout out to y'all too. And because of y'all sharing and talking about my videos got me to a little over 66,000 subscribers. I'm pretty sure if the ones that you did share, somebody subscribed from that. So I appreciate that. So long. Some like Pepsi early in the morning. Would taste better if I had onions. Didn't do the onions either. shout out to everyone. And I love all you guys. Don't forget to share and like. Happy Thanksgiving.